Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we are sharing 3 low competition, high demand Amazon KDP keywords ready for you to utilize and use and publish books on, whether you decide to publish low content or medium content books using these keywords. We're going to provide the full data for you. Just before we get started, I'd like to remind you we do daily videos such as these here on the channel. So if that interests you, go ahead and click on the subscribe button in order to be informed whenever we publish new videos. We are also using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions in order to access the data that is associated with each of the keywords that we share here on the channel. Now, if you'd like to do the exact same keyword research as we do here, there will be a video linked in the description box below that outlines exactly step by step what kind of Chrome extensions you need in order to activate the keyword research and how to best utilize it and get the most out of your data. So with that being said, let's get started with our first keyword for the day. And our first one is fabulous. It contains great data. It is 2026 Planner Weekly and monthly 8.5 times 11. And it has a really powerful niche score of 100, the highest on the scale. Also, the total results are 1,320. They are below 5,000. The average bestseller rank is also below 100,000, and it is currently averaging 22,554. Average reviews are 1,068. And average price is $16.20. And it is never too late right now with this opportunity using this keyword to create a fabulous large 8.5 times 11-inch planner for 2026 that is weekly and monthly. Now is the time to do it if you haven't yet done so. So let's get started also having a look at a couple of beautiful designs here for the 2026 planner. Now you could also sub niche according to what type of aesthetic it is. Is it floral? Is it a very basic, professional, minimalistic, black and white kind of thing? But you do need to stick to one thing, which is the sizing 8.5 times 11 large print size. Also, you need to make sure that your planner has both weekly and monthly. Daily would also be a bonus as well. Just stick to your promise weekly and monthly. There are some lovely interiors that you could be able to access using Creative Fabrica, linked in the description box below for a 30-day free trial to amazing interiors that you can be able to customize using Creative Fabrica. Now let's head to the second keyword for the day. And our second one is 2-year planner 2026 2027. This is a beautiful keyword that you can be able to use. I call it a short tail keyword. It is missing a couple of different elements for us to get started, but that also comes with its bonuses because you can be flexible in terms of the sizing, whether you choose to do an 8.5 times 11-inch large print, or whether you decide to do it a pocket size 6 by 9 inches. 8.5 times 8.5 also is a desktop planner that works best as well. So we've got the niche score here, 78, green light, ready to go. We also have the total results, 4,355. It is on the higher scale, but you could also be able to utilize this wonderful keyword for anything to do with the planner that you currently have published in your KDP portfolio for 2026 or 2027. Utilize this as part of the 7 keyword slots, and you'll notice that your planner is starting to rank. Also, the average bestseller rank is below 300,000, which is ideal, and we are sitting currently at 267,660. We also have the average reviews 57, and the average price is $14.05. Scrolling down as well, we've got a couple of really good books. Then again, always trying to avoid the sponsored posts as well, trying to scroll down and find some low content books that are independently published books, such as this one, such as that one right here. The majority of them are very floral designs, so that's also something that you might want to bear in mind. And also niche down because there are different types of florals, watercolor, marble, gold, as well, and silver are also lovely ones that work best for this kind of thing. As you can see here, some lovely interiors, lovely covers as well, very colorful and very eye-catching. Another thing that you can be able to do here is you could be able to sub-niche according to, as I said earlier, with the size, with the aesthetic of the cover and the interior, as well as what type of planner it is. Is it a monthly? Is it a daily? Is it an hourly? Is it a weekly as well? Apart from it being mainly a yearly for the both 2026 to 2027. With that being said, let's head to our third and final keyword. I'd like to keep this video short and simple. And we are talking about 2026 planner weekly and monthly 8 by 11, and it has an niche score of 95, which is very high as well. Also, the other results are quite promising. We are sitting at a total results of around that 1000 range, sitting at 1211. Average bestseller rank is also below 300,000 and below 100,000, which is ideal and just the way we like it, sitting at 40,638. Average reviews is 1012. Average reviews is $13.32. Scrolling down as well, we've got some lovely pieces that we can seek inspiration from. Now, another thing you want to bear in mind is that as you scroll down, apart from ignoring the sponsored post, because there is currently ads running and they also affect the results as well, you do want to keep in mind the designs. You want to keep in mind also the ones that are independently published. Just scroll down, have a look at the reviews, see if there's any negative reviews. This is what I pay attention to. I pay attention to the negative reviews before the positive reviews, because that really helps me to understand what are the gaps in that product and how can I be able to fill in these gaps as a KDP publisher, so people won't complain of the same as well. We've got a couple of lovely interiors, mostly watercolor, mostly floral, as you can see right over here. Very aesthetically pleasing and quite complex designs as well. See here, we've got a blend of celestial right over here. My apologies of all these banners opening that are associated with self-publishing titans. I'm just going to try to close these as well. We've got this lovely one right over here. It's a blend of celestial and rose gold as well, a little bit of florals in there. So these were the three main keywords for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, like and share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a good day. All the best. Bye bye.